Busy today. Taking some pictures?
Yeah, I'm taking some pictures. Test on the camera. Walk backwards again, I dare you. Nice.
I guess I should pull out a map, huh? Since we're not going to have much signal out in there. Let me see. Ooh, cool shot. We're pretty much in the Dundas Valley Conservation Area at the moment. There's free parking at Sanctuary Park, which is really nice. We pretty much go down this trail here. It's the rail trail. Go all the way down, yeah, the Hamilton-Brantford Rail Trail. And then we hit this area here. We'll hit that in a little bit. Hey, come on.
Oh, sorry.
Taking forever.
I think it smells wet dirt almost.
You like wet dirt? Because you used to eat wet dirt?
Yep.
Let's go down there.
Yeah. Okay.
The sound of crunching leaves. Ah, so nice.
It is very nice.
Oh my god, so we just opened this. It's Bear Bells protein bar, cookies and cream. This thing is amazing.
It's so good. It's nice and chewy too.
And no added sugar, so this is just all okay. Let's go.
It's like a soft chew.
Mmm. Here.
Yeah.
Mmm. What would you rate this?
8.
Really? I'd do like 9.5.
In terms of protein bars, yeah. It's like a 9.
I'd say like 9.5 even. This is so good I want to save it for later.
Yeah.
Yeah, last time we were on this trail. How hot was it? Like 41 or something?
It was probably like 40 degrees, yeah.
It was so hot, I was getting a sunburn. We didn't like know what kind of trail it was gonna be. But this section of the trail has no shade at all. And you, sir, forgot to bring a hat.
I did.
Got the train tracks coming up.
Yeah, the rest of the trail behind us is pretty much just a straight line.
Yeah, it's all open. It's all open and not a lot of cover. It's not too long though. I feel like the hotter it is, it feels like it's super long.
Yeah.
They don't call it the rail trail for nothing. Whoa. Guess we don't have to walk on this thing. Oh, super sunny.
See in there?
There's nothing really in here. No, it's just empty.
Oh, well, it's still cool.
If you ever come here and you use the bathroom along the rail trail, there's just one right there. Sulphur Springs. little seating area. Gonna just chill here. And if you come here, there's a freshwater tap, which you can access at that point right there. Drinking water. My bladder's pretty much full, but Grayson's just filling up his bladder here. We're trying a new route this time. When you're out here, you don't really have signal. That's okay. Just gonna kind of go with it. So we were just over there. So we're just gonna try this route. Yeah. McCormack Trail. Maybe we need to take a look where we're going. Well, there's no signal out here, so we just keep walking. This looks really nice.
Yeah, right?
Ooh. Got your photo?
Yeah.
This looks sick. What the heck? It's like I don't know, it's like a portal to another world. This right here is giving very like fairy tale farmland.
It is, yeah. It's quite like a grassy trail.
Yeah.
I don't think we've had on a grassy trail like this before.
Oh yeah. Not a lot of trails have grass because they're all like super worn down by people.
And the trail's got a bald spot.
It's a very twisty, windy trail. We should buy snowshoes or something. And like in the winter, I guess people would snowshoe these trails.
Yeah.
So we realized that not having signal out here is not a good idea because we don't have any GPS devices. Not that these trails are super like, they're still marked and stuff, but we just don't want to be caught out late. Oh, there's a bug on me. But yeah, we don't want to be caught out super late. Oh, it seems like there's a lot of bugs on this trail. Want to go?
We could just go backwards.
Yeah, let's just take the McCormack Trail then. Okay, I'll follow you, Mr. Navigator, sir.
That's me.
See, because I don't have signal out here, he's got a little bit of signal.
Hey! We could always just go back the way we came, but this also leads back to where we were, so it's fine.
Yeah, and we'll collect different gear as the years go by if we decide to start like cross-country ski or snowshoe and stuff like for winter.
Yeah.
But yeah. A frog! I don't know if you guys can see it. He's pretty blended in. Oh, there he goes.
So cool. Pick them up.
You can't, the oil's on your hand. You wanna explain?
Yeah, so most amphibians, they breathe through their skin and they drink through their skin. That's why some frogs have to stay moist. And you can't like handle them with your bare hands unless your hands are very clean or you have like a glove on. Because whatever's on your hands, they absorb through their skin. But some things, some amphibians like toads or even some frogs, they aren't as susceptible to that kind of stuff. So that guy we just saw, he probably would have been okay if we picked him up.
Ooh, careful down here.
Yeah.
Oh, I really hope there's not a lot of mosquitoes in there. Whoa, that seems pretty scary.
Kind of cool looking though.
That was pretty freaky though. I don't really like this, it's like kind of creepy.
The dark woods or the haunted woods or whatever.
Yeah.
Now we made it out. We survived.
We made it!
Back on track for our quest.
Yes. Feel purplish flowers everywhere.
Very cute, very cute. 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10, that's kind of rude. That bench is working real hard.
Actually, no, I don't think it's worked very hard. Sit down here with no one sitting on it. The trail is popular.
Yeah, okay. Sawmill Trail. Bless you. Now all the animals definitely know we're here. The trail center's there. We made it. Oh, I have signal out here again. I want to fill up my water. Okay, ready to head back?
Yeah, we can start heading back.
Okay, let's go. This thing, the best.
It is the best.
Oh, that one's so good.
It is good.
Back on the rail trail.
Rail trail.
Okay.
I'm okay.
This trail's super busy. I think this is the busiest that we've seen it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one hasn't been this busy the other times that we've went. I think because peak of summer, maybe people know that this trail is not the greatest. Oh, what was that?
I don't know, some bird or something.
Maybe it was one of those red-winged blackbirds. Oh, what is that? A caterpillar that has also died. Look at that.
Maybe he's just sleeping.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll leave him alone.
Let's not wake him up.
Yeah.
Those ones, I'm like, no, I'm not nothing to that caterpillar. That was the rail trail. Hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe for more. See you guys later. Bye.